In a world filled with distractions and constant noise, the art of active listening has become a rare and valuable skill. Active listening involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said. It's about giving the speaker your full attention without interrupting or formulating a response in your mind. By mastering active listening, you can enhance your relationships, improve your communication skills, and gain valuable insights. When you actively listen, you show respect and empathy, which can strengthen your connections with others. This skill is particularly beneficial in personal and professional relationships, as it fosters trust and cooperation. To practice active listening, maintain eye contact, nod, or provide verbal cues to show your engagement, and ask relevant questions to demonstrate your understanding. Additionally, paraphrasing or summarizing the speaker's points can confirm your comprehension and encourage further discussion. By honing the art of active listening, you can create more meaningful interactions and develop a deeper understanding of others' perspectives.